I'm Jean and this is Gerald. Welcome to our channel.
We're on our way to Sam's Club and we're gonna show you how we survive a week in China. So just a really quick introduction to Sam's Club. It's an exclusive shopping center where you can buy basically everything you can think of. They save money on packaging because they sell bulk. You'll see now they have a normal membership and then they also have a premium membership. The normal membership is about 240 kwai and then the premium membership is 670 kwai. So the only benefit is you get much more cash back with purchases and so on.
This is how big it is compared to a Sprite.
And my hand.
Welcome to Sam's Club.
35 kwai.
Get an
Definitely
apple.
taking this. We have our sweet potato, 2 kilograms for 20 kwai. All these vouchers for a while, steam buns. Package of 6 for 20 kwai as well.
Let's go.
Dun dun dun! We're heading into the cool room. Round number 2.
I think this one or last one.
It's in the front.
Last one.
Let's go with the back one.
This one?
Yeah. I want to eat this tomorrow. Some black pork mince. Broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. We bring our own bag.
From IKEA.
Also fragile eggs.
Yep.